Good morning, guys. I have a long drive and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We're going to Sonoma Raceway because there's a drift event that we're gonna be attending, and I decided to record it for you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy. You guys already know we have to make a quick stop at Dutch Bros. Yeah, that's clean. That one's hella sick.
I've seen that one.
Yeah, I feel like I've seen that one before. Yeah, that's clean. Yeah, we also got a lot of Hot Wheels. Oh yeah. So while they go out, dude, look at this car. Oh man. So they're about to go out again. Edgar was having like some electrical issue, and I'm here for snacks and cars. So I'm gonna go sit down somewhere and eat some snacks. I kind of want to go look at the drag stuff, so probably gonna go there right now, or I'm gonna go there. So let's go check it out. It's so loud, but as you guys know, I'm not really into drag. But I mean, I could appreciate, you know, a hard launch. And it's honestly a lot of like the younger people on this side for like the drifting. And then a lot of like old gearheads for the drag cars, which I really respect because I see like, you know, 60, 70-year-olds drag racing. And I feel like, you know, it's not as appreciated nowadays as, you know, the younger generation cares more about going sideways than straight. Well, I shouldn't say all the young generation, but man, it's so cold out here. So the first guy, the guy in the right lane took off a little too early. He jumped it. Right now I'm gonna go for this orange one. Who do you guys got? Comment down below. I'm gonna go for the orange one. That's like Bumblebee's cousin. It says Camaro versus Fox Body. Do this. Oh. Snacks of choice. You know, I like all the peanut. And then I went with the chili lime scorching Pringles. the day at Sonoma. There we go. Well, guys, we made it back. Made it back home. I actually made it at really good timing. It's barely 10:09. Fortunately, we had to like separate my brother and I with Edgar and his friend. Since they were trailering the cars, they had to go drop off the cars at one place, and then we met up with them afterwards at his house to drop off his car, and then we had to drop off the trailer. It was a process, so my brother and I had time to go eat some food. I'm super drained. I didn't even film any of that. The food was okay. I didn't even finish. I was just so tired. Honestly, I was more thirsty than like hungry or anything. So yeah, I knew I had to get some food in me because I was so drained. The day went by so fast. When you really are doing something that you love to do, it goes by so fast. Honestly, guys, I hope I really made a good video for you guys, and if I didn't, I apologize. I was living in the moment. I was just seeing all these cars, and it's like, dude, this is such a fun experience to be there. It's memories definitely in the books, and I really do hope that I am able to make videos where I can support myself and make this type of content. I think it was such an amazing experience. I'm drained as much as I want to keep talking to you guys, and I'm probably gonna go to sleep because I'm exhausted. I know I should take a shower. Because I could tell you I smell like smoke, rubber, tire, whatever you want to call it. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 2K subs, and I appreciate everybody that's been subscribing and watching these videos. It really does mean the world to me, knowing that the content I put out, some people are taking some time out of their day to watch it, or they're at least taking some time out of their day to even look at the thumbnail or give it a thumbs down if you hate the video. I don't really care. All I know is you watched the video and maybe some parts were helpful, or you found some parts entertaining. But as my YouTube little comment says, it says, I just want to film the things I find interesting. I just want to film the things I find interesting and the adventures I go through in life. That's all what this channel is about, and that's all I'm going to be doing. I also want to help out people. That's why I make those how-to videos, and it's helped out so many people save money, learn new things, and even if they're not going to attempt it themselves, at least they watch the video that's informative and they could pick up a thing or two. So that's all that matters. That's all that matters to me. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter if I can't make money off this where I'm sustainable. It's okay. I wish I am able to, but if I'm not one of those lucky few, I'm totally okay with it as long as I'm able to help people. And that's all, honestly, guys. Just end of the day, it would be amazing. The big projects I have and the car builds I want to do. But if I can't do it from YouTube, I don't mind, working 2 jobs, 3 jobs just to be able to accomplish those dreams. And I'll still make those videos, the build process. So stay tuned for 2023. It's going to be a very interesting year. Trust me. There's already a car I've been looking at, and I think it's meant to be. We went to Dutch Rose, and I saw one. My brother and I saw one just parked there, and it's meant to be. Trust me. These cars, you don't see them that often, and the fact that I saw it today, the fact that I'm starting to see them a lot throughout my newsfeed, I think it's meant to be to get that car. So stay tuned, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, good vibes. Peace. Well, guys, let me show you guys the shopping haul that we did over there in Sonoma. We did go to Safeway to get some milk and some goodies, and look what we got. Let me just lay them all out for you guys. And we went to a little gift shop in there and bought this sweater. This overpriced sweater. It's a McLaren sweater. The material is really nice, but I don't know if it's that nice for this price point. I honestly think it was such a waste of money, and I really regretted the decision of buying this sweater. But it's just one of those things where you want to buy it just to manifest the mission, the goal that you want to achieve one day. The guy was like, "Oh, you both drive McLarens?" Because my brother bought the same sweater. And my response to that was, "Not yet. Give me a couple years." And that's going to stay true. I'm going to come back to this video one day and tell myself that, yup, I was able to get a McLaren. And this is what helped me manifest the idea and continue to work harder and harder for that. And these are all the Hot Wheels we got. I also forgot I got a red velvet cake. Not bad, $2.99. It's a pretty big cake. It might take me like 2 sittings to eat it. And then Edgar also works over here, and he gives some free stickers. So I'm gonna be putting this. I can't decide if I'm gonna put this on my laptop or maybe on my car. We'll see where I put it. But this time around, there was really good selection, and me and my brother kind of copied each other on some of them. So like the Huayra and then the Miura, and I didn't notice that he actually got this one. Liberty Walk Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. One of my dream cars, and this one looks really nice. All black with some gold accents. He also went for like a patrol car. As you guys know, the SL300 $1 million car. This looks pretty cool. Almost reminds me of like a Bozozoco car. And this time around, I kind of had an all blue theme, I guess. New 400Z Pininfarina. This one's amazing. Was able to see this in person. Another Miura blue one, Huayra, and I had to do the Elva and then the V12 Speedster from Aston Martin. They just look amazing. I was able to see this one in person as well, and I still want to check this one off the list of being able to see it in person. So, a few other cars to add to the collection.